Hi, this is Sathish Sekar. Advanced technologies make scientists and researchers to know what is happening and what is present in the space. But no one in the world does not have any idea what is present inside the earth. In India, in many temples, you can see Navagragas, which indicates the planet on the space. But there is no statue kept which is indicating what is present inside the earth. 1970, Soviet Union decided to make a research on this and they started a project. Later in 1995, they shut down the project. So here we have lot of questions. Why they start this project? What they discovered in this project? Why they shut down on 1995? Do you want to know about this? Then don't skip the video. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe. If you are already a subscriber, like, share and comment and forward to your friends. Let's go to the video. There always been a Cold War between America and Soviet Union which resulted in space race. Soviet Union made lot of discoveries which is beyond human mind and they have done it. Some projects are successful. They sent human to space, they created space stations, they started research on atomic nuclear bombs. It was around 1960 during the space race, right? So on 12th April 1961, Soviet Union sent UV Gagarin to space. He was in space for 1 hour and 48 minutes and he traveled the entire earth in space and he returned. By this, Soviet Union made a huge record. This record was spoken by many people and it spreads all over the country. Since there is a Cold War between America and Soviet Union, America revenged the Soviet Union by sending Neil Armstrong to moon on June 20, 1969, which is a huge record. Since Soviet Union sent a man to the space, but America has recorded by sending a man to the moon. America made a huge record and this news was spread all over the world and everyone in the world started speaking about this event. So, Soviet Union planned to take revenge on America. Soviet Union has an alternate plan. They plan to dig the earth and try to reach as much they can. They named the project as Kola Superdeep borehole. The main scope of the project is they want to identify what is the temperature below the earth and they want to identify any microorganisms who is living inside the earth and they want to calculate about the speed of earth plate tectonics. In 1970, they started the project in Kola Peninsula which is located in Russia. They started to dig 9-inch hole. When they shut down the project, they digged up to 12 kilometers. In 1970, people in Kola Peninsula heard about this project and they started to protest against the Soviet Union. In spite of this, Soviet Union started the project and they started to dig the earth. First of all, we should understand the layers of earth. There are 4 layers on earth: crust, mantle, core and inner core. So this 12 kilometers which Soviet Union has made is equal to 0.3% of earth crust layer. So they keep on digging the borehole. At some point of time they found microorganisms fossils. They were shocked. Researchers were shocked because any material which is decomposable will be found on the top layer of the earth. And they were shocked how an microorganism is living inside the earth with no sunlight. Researchers will find the age of a particular material by using carbon dating method. If any material found which is thousands of years ago, right, carbon dating method is not applicable for it. So what they will do, right, they will calculate when that material had a sunlight on it. Based on that, they will calculate the approximate age of the particular material. So on the way of digging the hole, right, researchers were shocked by identifying the microorganism fossils and they started digging. So while they started digging, they are identifying the granite rocks and they keep on digging it and they are finding the sand which contains hydrogen in it and they are keep on digging and they shocked again because they found water inside it. So they keep on digging the borehole. At some point of time, they heard strange sounds. Researchers were questioned about this and they explained that it was the sound of earth plate tectonics. But the people in the Kola Peninsula didn't trust it because they said that this was the sound of hell. People protested and asked Soviet Union to stop this because they thought that they will open the door of the hell. Many countries gave pressure on Soviet Union to stop this project, but Soviet Union didn't hear anything. They still continued working on this project. So they keep on digging the holes. At some point of time, the pressure is high, temperature is high. They found 356 degree Fahrenheit temperature inside it, and this makes the drill bit melt and sometimes it broken. So what happened, right? This made a huge investment to Soviet Union because people are protesting. There is poverty in the country, but the Soviet Union spending lot of money for digging the hole. Some researchers proposed to Soviet Union that there is a possibility of getting earthquake. They didn't hear anything and they drilled about 12 kilometers. Soviet Union was there from 1922 to 1991. Due to the protest, they stopped the work on 1989 for the namesake, but internally they were running the drilling. From 1991, Soviet Union is split into 15 countries. Hence, due to protest, they shut down this project on 1995. Till now, this was the biggest deep borehole in the world. If you go to Kola Peninsula in Russia, you can find that borehole. From stopping this project on 1995, they have prevented the destruction of Kola Peninsula. I think you like this video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe, like, share and comment. We can see in another video. Bye.